Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're doing a fun yoga flow when your body needs a big stretch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Yoga with Jade and Mel so we can stretch together again. Let's get started. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. From all fours, walk the hands forward and melt the chest down while keeping hips stacked over knees, forehead or chin on mat. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, Ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Sit with legs straight forward, fold gently from the hips, hands reaching toward the feet. Now let's stay seated and take a quiet breathing break. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and gently breathe in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's do this together for 30 seconds, feeling calm and peaceful. You did an amazing job today. Your body stretched, moved, and felt so good. If you liked this yoga flow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Yoga with Jade and Mel with your friends. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.